this is me and this is my brother Dev. He's not going to show you anything, but today I'm going to teach you how to make a Rubik's Cube into a checkerboard and also making the Rubik's Cube into this way without a checkerboard's single spot wrong. Okay, so first you see this, the orange side, double twist the other side too, and then you'll see this. In the other side, you'll also see orange out, and you'll see red in the next side. Then twist and do the double twist again. Now you see that you're getting the checkerboard. And then double twist again, and then you're getting another checkerboard. You already have the checkerboard in both sides. Now you see this and this. Usually they are not going to be in a checkerboard, but now see this and this. Yeah. Now double twist. Don't do one twist because then this will happen. So double twist, yes, and then double twist, yes, and then see, now you already got this side and also the top. And now who wants to learn how to solve this without breaking it or painting it? Me, so you gotta do this, see? Double twist, and then this, double twist again on the other side, and then double twist. Like this is just a double twist. Who wants to see his jokes? Yes, he is crazy. Who wants to see this? Wait, Mama, can you give me, wait, can you put that on the floor, Dad? Mama, can you give me the 2x2?
No, I think you can turn off this video and start over.
No, turn off the video.
This video. You start with a new video.
The next video is going to be shorts, okay?
If you want, we can
edit it.